Welcome to Theory of Computation class. Today I am going to give an explanation for elimination of useless symbols. So this comes under simplified CFG formation. So a simplified CFG means it is an extension of context-free grammar which contains elimination of three notations in it. One is eliminating epsilon production, second one is elimination of unit production, and the third step is elimination of useless symbols. So I already gave the explanation for the first two options, and here I am going to discuss the elimination of useless symbols. So here it contains three cases in it. We should consider these three cases for a single production. Case 1 is if any production is given in a particular grammar, and if any non-terminal is available, if that particular non-terminal does not have any production, means it comes under case 1. Case 2 means suppose a non-terminal is available and that non-terminal contain a production, but it will not able to produce an input string, means that non-terminal and its productions are considered as useless symbols. So we should remove it. Third step is a non-terminal is available and that non-terminal contains productions in it. Using that productions we can able to derive some string, but that non-terminal that does not related to your starting symbol of a given grammar, means that will be considered as third case. So here I give the clear explanation for case 1. For example, S implies AB by A implies small a by capital A. So this is the given production. Write a simplified CFG means we should write that production separately. So the first production is S implies AB, second one is S implies A implies small a implies small a capital A. So if you write variable, there are three variables are available. So what are the capital letters? So those capital letters are considered as non-terminal symbol. So the left side symbols are only two symbols S and A. If you check the right side, it contains B in it. So these three variables are available. So case 1 means, so it comes under case 1 because B is a non-terminal symbol, but B does not have a production in it. So if a non-terminal does not have a production, then that particular symbol is considered as useless symbol. Wherever that symbol is available, we should eliminate that productions because that production is also considered as useless symbol. So here we identified that B is a non-terminal and B does not have a production in it. So we should eliminate B production, that is the first production. So if you remove first production, the remaining notations are these three notations. So this will be retrieved from case 1. So this is case 1. And I give then another example for case 2. S implies small a, capital implies small a capital A. So this is the second example for case 2. So here variables are S and A. So S and A have productions in it. So there is no case 1 format. But if you take case 2 format, so these two symbols are non-terminal. So instead of S, if you substitute small a with its right side value, S can able to produce an input string. But if you consider capital A, instead of capital A, we can write it as small a capital A. This is called as derivation. Again, instead of A, I can able to substitute small a capital A. So it will be repeated. So this A non-terminal does not able to produce a complete input string. So this will be considered as a production, a non-terminal which has a production in it, but that production does not able to produce input string, means this will also be considered as useless symbol. So if you eliminate the second production, the simplified CFG contains only one production in it. So this comes under second case. So I am taking third case. S implies small a. That means I give an example for third one. S implies small a, capital A. A implies small b, and B implies A. So this is the third one. So here variables are three variables, S, A, B. Then if you substitute S as small a, capital A, instead of capital A, I can able to substitute as B. So S can able to derive a string. So if we consider A, instead of A, I can able to substitute it as B. So A can also able to produce string. Instead of B, I can able to substitute A. B can also produce string. But this B is not occurred at right side of the starting symbol of a production. So if you consider starting symbol, S is a starting production. Instead of that, you can write it as small a, capital A. Capital A production is available. So this is relevant to the given grammar. But here B is a non-terminal which contains a production in it, and this B non-terminal is also able to produce an input string, but this is not relevant to your starting symbol of the given grammar. So for any set of notations, you cannot able to substitute B from these two productions. So we should eliminate this third production. So this will be also considered as useless symbol. So if you eliminating the third production, the remaining notations are these two notations. So these are all the three different cases for implementing useless symbols notations. Thank you.